Work the two problems, problem 3 and 3 in the front. This is the worksheet. This is what we did in class. Okay, your child created your own triangles. We did this together. And then the bottom problem and this 3 here, this problem here. Okay. This problem 3, a lot of kids still have a hard time. Okay, so you need to start with the walls in there. Okay, you always distribute first. That gives you 4x plus 12. Okay, on the other side it stays the same. 4 minus 10x minus 12. Here there's 3 terms. 1, the 4, the negative 10x, and the 12, the minus 12. You need to combine the like terms. Now the like terms is 4 minus 12. They both do not have letters. They're alike. You combine them, you get negative 8. Okay? Then you need to bring down this minus 10. Okay? Bring down the minus 10x. Okay? So 4 minus 12 is negative 8. Let me change the color so and that's still a 4x plus 12, okay? We'll change it to black because we didn't do anything to it. 4x plus 12. Now, right here you need to pick the smallest variable and make it equal to 0. Most of you will pick 4x, so minus 4x, minus 4x, even though negative 10 is smaller, but I'm going to do what you would have. This is 0. 0 plus 12 is 12. Let's keep it red. 0 plus 12 is 12 equals 2. Now you need to add these two because they're both negatives. Okay, add them, you get negative 14x and this negative 8. You have to make 8 equal to 0, so you have to add 8. Add 8. Let's go back to black. Add 8. Add 8 to both sides. Now negative 8 plus 8 is 0. 0 minus 14 is negative 14. And bring down that x. That's 20. Divide by negative 14. Divide by negative 14. X equals to 20 over negative 14. Now, 20 can divide by 14 one time with a remainder of 6. So your answer is this negative 1 remainder 6. This is your answer here, 1 remainder 6 over that 14. Reduce it, so x is negative 1 and divide by 2, 3 over 7. That's your answer for that one. Okay? This one, we want you to rotate 90 degrees clockwise. 90 degrees counterclock. Okay, 90 degrees means the number's going to switch. Okay, let's start with triangle R. R and R, it correlates to W. Okay, R and W, so you need to know W right there. Okay, and then S goes with X. Okay, so S goes with the X. And then T, this T here, goes with this Y. Okay, so T goes with the Y. It's important you keep that straight. Okay, let's do R first. R is negative 4. Right here. R is negative 4, negative 8. R is negative 4, negative 8. Now it's 90 degrees, the numbers switch to 8. Okay, 90 degrees clockwise. Here's 0 degrees. Okay, 0 degrees is where the shape is. Counter is going the opposite. There's 12, 3. That's going the correct way. Counter is going this way. So my answer will be in this box right there. Okay? So it'll be in that box. So it is, instead of 4, 8, it'll be 8. It'll be 8, 4, 8. Actually, that's 8, negative 4. Okay? So, and that's W. S. Oh my gosh, why did I do this? I put PQR. Typo again. Oh my gosh, this is PQR. Okay, this is PQR. Oh my gosh. Sorry. This is not it. PQR. Anyways. P. Wrong. 90 degrees still right here though. I'm still correct. Counter still here. P is negative 7, negative 8. So it'll be 8, 7. And this 8, actually negative 7. Right there. Put that negative sign there. Put that W. PQ. Q is negative 4, negative 2. Q is negative 4, negative 2. Therefore, X is 2, 4, really 2, negative 4. 2, negative 4. That's X. R is negative 4, negative 8. And Y is then negative 8, 4. 8, 4. Actually 8, negative 4. That's Y. Connect them. Okay, find the length of both sides. Draw the line in the middle. Let's do triangle PQR first. And then the other one, triangle WXY here. PQR is let's do the first length right here. I'm going to do that. That is 1, and there's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. That's 3. PR, P to R is 3. The second one is this one here. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. That's Q to R is 6. Okay, the last one is this third side right here. 1, 2, 3. That's the third side, letting know it's the third side. That's P to Q. And you need to do Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus B squared equals C squared for this one. And this is 6. So 3 squared plus 6 squared equals to C squared. That gives you 9 plus 8, 12, 36 equals to C squared. That's 45. equals to c squared. Take the square root. Okay, you need to go to a calculator. Not here. Close it out. Let's find a calculator. Okay. Okay. Cancel. 45. And then the square root symbol. 6.708. So 6.7. Uh-oh. Is your answer. Well, I don't know why it doesn't allow you to see. Well, this isn't 6.7. What happened to it? Clear it out. Okay. So what I did here, so you can see, went 45, and then I went to the square root symbol right here. Got 6.70. The 0 keeps the 7 the same. So I go back here. 6.7 is about C. So this is 6.7. So PQ is 6.7. Now all these are the same. Notice this is 3. That's the 1 tally. This is the same as the 6. That's the 2 tally. And the other one is 6.7. Okay. So we got WY equals to 3 and XY equals to 6 and Y WX is equal to 6.7. Identify the congruency. Okay, this should be easy after you get the lengths. Okay, this is 3, that's 3. So PR equals to WY. Instead of equal to, it's the congruent sides. So this word congruent, you need to write congruent to. PR is congruent to WY. Now the next one, as you see, is QR. That's 6, and this is 6. So you go QR is congruent to WY. Is congruent to this one here, XY. PQ, the last one right here, PQ, and they're the same, you see, 6.7, 6.7. PQ is congruent to it's congruent to WX, and that's how you do that.